Isabella. Welcome to my channel. I have a current favorites for you guys today. It's been about a month or so since I've done a current favorites and I've got some goodies to show and to talk about. I'm going to link my past 3 videos down below for you guys to watch. They're really good, and also all of these items are linked down below for you guys to shop. Without further ado, let's get into it, and also let me know in the comment section what your favorite products are. What are your current favorites, whether it's skincare, luxury, fashion. I just want to know because you guys always have the best recommendations. The beginning of this video is sponsored by Sensor. I am super excited to be working with them. They are a global luxury fashion retailer. I post a lot of content about luxury items and how much I love just high-end items, and that's just like such a fun thing for me to experience. It's a fun thing to share, but it's really hard sometimes to find authentic items that have really good prices available. So that's when Sensor comes in and helps you find the best luxury items at a really good comparable price. And you don't have to go to the mall. You can shop Sensor directly from your couch, on your toilet, wherever you do your business. You can shop Sensor whenever, however you want. It is up to you. It's your convenience. Sensor's platform operates worldwide with over 2 million. That's a lot of people. 2 million customers. And on top of the 2 million customers, they have over 500,000 luxury goods on their website. I'm so excited to show you guys the pieces that I got. I was in LA in June and I didn't have time to go into the Vivienne Westwood store. I've always wanted to go in one, but I did not have time. We were already running late to a Paramount tour. So I was like on the hunt online. I was like, I need something Vivienne Westwood. I love, love, love the logo. I love all of the things behind Vivienne Westwood. I got this super, super cutie bracelet. I've been really into my bracelet stack. So this is like the perfect addition to my stack, and I've been wanting to add something silver. So this is going to look absolutely amazing. You can see the beautiful Vivienne Westwood classic logo right there. It's a beautiful heart, kind of looks like a UFO, and I just really, really love it. It is such high quality, and you get nothing less than the best with Sensor. And you know I couldn't stop there. I couldn't just get the bracelet. I had to get something else to go with it. These are so cutie. And here we are with the earrings. Oh my goodness, these are absolutely perfect and just what I was looking for my new jewelry collection. The process was super quick. I just picked out what I wanted online, I added it to my wish list, and then I waited for the best price to come around, and then I placed my order. Verification was super, super quick, and before I knew it, I was like, oh my gosh, my Vivienne Westwood, it just arrived. They also offer free shipping for orders that are over $200 in the US. And I would say what stands out to me the most with Sensor is their pricing. It is actually incomparable. Everything is already up to 70% off. Yes, you heard that right. 70% off than the regular counter price. And that's solely because they have really, really, really good relationships and good VIP discounts with European dealers. And they handle all tax refunds from all of their European dealers as well, which helps them with their pricing. And every item comes direct from authorized European and worldwide retailers. I definitely recommend finding what you love, putting it in your cart, and waiting for the best deal to come around. It's not going to be too long until Sensor comes in and gives you the best pricing around. I do have a code and a link down below for you guys to get an extra 3% off your order. I did also pick out a couple other items, and I'm going to list them on the screen for you guys to see that I think that you guys would love. And I also put some price comparisons of other websites so that you guys are really able to see that Sensor does allow you the best prices and gives you the best deal on the luxury market. Like I said, everything is down below for you guys to shop. Be sure to use my link for an extra 3% off, and let's go ahead and get into the rest of the video. I've been loving this Pharmacy Green Clean Gentle Creamy Cleanser. It has moringa and oats. I'm not sure what the moringa part is, but my favorite thing about this cleanser, as you can tell, like it's getting very, very small, is that it is like super creamy and it doesn't strip my face. It actually adds moisture back into my face. It is just very soothing. It's very nourishing, and I feel like that has to do with the oats in this. It's also fragrance free, which I really appreciate. It gets all of my makeup off, gets all of the gunk off from the whole day, and just really leaves my face feeling nice and rejuvenated and not stripped. And they have this version too if you guys are interested in a more deep cleanse, and I really like that one as well, but this one has to be my favorite. I of course have to talk about my new purse. I opened this in my luxury haul, so be sure to watch that. I have been loving this thing so much. It is a very limited edition bag from Louis Vuitton. It is a Soft Speedy 30 from the Cherry collection with Takashi Murakami. I love this so much. The inside is complete denim. If you guys want more details on this bag, definitely watch that video because I go a little bit more in depth about it. Now these bag charms I did add myself. This one's from Amazon. It's just like a gold chain with pearl, and then also this bee is from Anthropologie. I just really love it. I love the slouch in this bag. It's really unique, and when I was looking at the whole Cherry collection, I was like, I want something that doesn't look like Louis Vuitton. And you can't really tell at first that this is Louis Vuitton because the white canvas is a little hard to see the emblem, but obviously up close you can. I just feel like it is so cute and it's so playful, and I love fun standout bags. My favorite body butter literally ever. I'm going on a huge trip soon and I'm gonna have to like get a whole thing because I'm gone for 11 days and I go through this stuff like it's nobody's business. This is from Josie Maran. It's the whipped argan oil body butter. I got this on a Sephora haul a couple months ago and I have been so obsessed. I do love that this is refillable. You can get like the big packets that look like this and just squirt it in there and refill it. I also take those big packets when I travel because this is just heavy and I just squeeze it from that tube. But I have vanilla vibes, which let me tell you kind of what I smell from it. I smell like caramel. It's very warm. It definitely has some vanilla to it. It's not like vanilla bean. It's not light. It's like a very heavy vanilla, but I love that. I believe they also have topless tangerine, and I think that there's one other scent to Josie Maran, but this one's my favorite. I just like love a good warm vanilla smell, and this one kind of smells like salted caramel vanilla. It is so good. It's very nourishing. It's really good for your skin. It really like rejuvenates your skin after shaving, after a shower. It's just like the best body butter, best moisturizer. Now this perfume right here, Chanel did send it to me, and I did just talk about it in my summer perfumes video, so be sure to watch that. It's a really good video where I talk about the best summer perfumes, the best profiles to wear during the summer, that kind of thing. But this is the Chanel Chance Les Splendid. This perfume is insane. I absolutely love the notes on it. I just love anything from Chanel. It's very light, it's very lilac. It just, oh, it's literally perfect. And I wore it yesterday and I kid you not, it literally lasted on me all day. Love the bottle. It's just a classic Chanel bottle. And I can't get enough. I just think that this is the perfect spring and summer perfume. And I also feel like going into fall, you can definitely wear this, especially with me being in Florida. Like this is just the perfect fragrance. It's light, it's fresh, it's airy. I just really love the lavender in it. It's aquatic. I've been obsessed, and if you can go to a Chanel little like boutique, I would definitely go smell this because you're gonna love it. And of course I have to talk about my Omnilux contour. I have been loving this. I've done a couple videos on it now, I think like 3 videos, but this is my favorite LED mask, you guys, okay? There are so many on the market, but I kid you not, this is going to be the best one. It hugs your face. I also love the bag that it comes with. They send you a bunch of different adapters too if you're traveling to different parts of the country, so you can take it and all the ports fit in the outlets, but it has a remote that automatically goes on it, and then you just do this and you can walk around the house. You're not plugged into anything. It's just, it's so nice. I have been really obsessed with LED red light therapy. I used to have really bad acne spots on my chin, and they've gotten so much better since implementing this into my self-care routine, which I'm really thankful for, because no one wants dark spots from like a time in their life where they were like really insecure. Like I hated my acne. It was not the best thing that ever happened to me, but it helps with elasticity, boosts your collagen, fine lines and wrinkles, dullness, brightens your appearance. Red light therapy is just the best for you. So I'm gonna have this link down below if you guys are interested in buying it, because I feel like this year has been a really good time for people to move more into the wellness space, and I feel like this is the perfect addition to gift someone or gift to yourself to really focus on your wellness. You guys know I love the K18 dry shampoo. This is a new product from them. It's the Reparative Volume Spray. This stuff is so good. I'm actually gonna put it in my hair for you guys so you guys can see it live. I have freshly washed hair, which for me, my freshly washed hair needs a little bit of help, okay? I can't lie. It doesn't have a lot of volume to it at all. And so what I do is I take this spray and I spray it in my roots and I let it sit for maybe 15 seconds. Also, it smells divine. It smells so much better than the dry shampoo. Even that is like my favorite smell, but this smells like better than that. And then after I let it sit for a few seconds, I'll take my fingers and just kind of zhuzh up my roots and moving that product and really helping it activate to bring up that volume in my hair. So yeah, typically after I wash my hair and let it air dry, my hair is completely flat, but that, I mean, ignore that this part is like not styled, but that added so much volume to like these front pieces right here, and my hair isn't so flat anymore. So I really like this stuff. I also like love a lot of volume sprays. This Orbe one is really good. I really like that. It's the texture spray, but this one's actually also really amazing. I love the science behind K18. And last but not least, this is something that I actually unboxed on my TikTok. I haven't even talked about it here, but I did a perfume haul from Neiman Marcus, and I picked up a bunch of Perfumes de Marly because I love Perfumes de Marly. I'm going on a trip again, like I've said a million times. Decided to restock on Delina and Delina La Rose, and also got a few different ones from Perfumes de Marly to try. The sales rep was like, come here, I have to show you something. I have to let you smell this. So she sprayed this brand. I don't even know how to say it. It's like Initio Perfume Priv, and she sprayed Atomic Rose. And I was like, yeah, I have to get this. And I asked her about the company, and she said it's actually a sister company of Perfumes de Marly. But I've just never heard of this company, but I stand by this fragrance. I kid you not, this is like Delina, and Delina La Rose had a baby with a little bit more pink pepper and a little bit more spice. I would say that the bottle is actually extremely luxurious looking. This is the smallest one that she had because I didn't want to buy. I mean, I have like 45 to like 60 fragrances now, I think. I've already like doubled my fragrance collection since my perfume collection. It's crazy. I just love smelling good, but it's a 1.6 fluid ounce. So I wanted to start with the smaller one, but I definitely want to dabble more into this brand. If you know anything about it, you definitely have to let me know because again, I've never heard anything. And of course I'm curious, but Atomic Rose is amazing. I'm gonna put the notes on the screen for you guys to read a little bit more about it because even I kind of bought this on impulse, but I was like, this smell is so good. And it has lasted me all day. All right, you guys, that is it for today's current favorites. These are all the things that I've been loving. I'm probably gonna do another one in about a month and a half or so be sure to stay tuned, and then I will link all of my other current favorites down below for you guys to watch. I do have that link down below for you guys to purchase through Sensor if you guys would like anything on the luxury market that is really greatly priced, and also my extra discount code. My quote of the day is an affirmation, and it says, I radiate lucky girl vibes at every table. Remember that? Hold it close to your heart. Always exude that, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.